Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in 2015. The question is, let G be a connected planar graph, right, with 10 vertices. If the number of edges of each face, the number of edges on each face is 3, then the number of edges in G is what? Okay, so what they're saying is, let's say the number of vertices is V, the number of edges is E, the number of faces is F. Let's say something like that. Then the relation between edges and faces is can be determined. So V is 10, number of vertices is 10. This we already know, right? Now the relation between edges and faces is given here is if the number of edges on each face is 3. So so what do they mean by number of edges per face? So let's say a triangular pyramid. We try to create with whatever I can. Let's try to create a triangular pyramid, something like this. Okay, and let's say something like this, and this edge is, let's say, not visible. The triangular base is there and then this pyramid stands. So my point is that let's focus on this face. So what is happening is that we can clearly see that each face, so the number of edges on each face is 3. So I draw on an example where the number of edges in each face is 3. So whatever is number of edges divided by number of face is equal to 3. Okay, so number of edges per face is 3. Okay, but there is a trick, is that see this edge is shared between this face also and this face also. So basically every edge is counted in 2 faces. So basically we are counting, so we have to multiply this thing by 2 because everything we are counting twice. So the exact relationship given by this thing, the number of edges on each face is 3, is given by something like this. And from this I can have a relation something like okay, what is F in terms of E? So F, I can say that it is 2E by 3. Okay, and this thing we'll use later. We'll come back to that. And now I'm going to introduce you with Euler's formula, right, which you already might be knowing. So Euler's formula says that, what does it say? It says that number of vertices minus number of edges plus number of faces, V minus E plus F is what? 2 for any connected planar graph which they have already given. Okay, and now our task is simply to put the values. So 10 minus E plus F. Now F value will be taken from here. So F value is 2E minus 2E upon 3 is equal to 2, right? So essentially this thing we are going to say that, so E minus 2E by 3 is equal to 8, right, which means that E by 3 is equal to 8, and which gives us number of edges as 24. Okay, so they are asking that only what is the number of edges in G. The answer is 24.